Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will provide you the solution of our data engineer streaming and connection skills second lab, that is connect an app to a Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL instance. I didn't upload the solution of this lab till now because this lab has an internal issue from the Quick Labs server side. That's why I didn't uploaded the solution of this lab. But yes, till now I uploaded all the remaining solutions lab solution. So you can go to my YouTube channel and watch the remaining lab solution and make sure you get a green tick beside your lab. Make sure you completed it today because today is the last day of completing this yellow challenge. It will end up by 8 p.m. at evening today. So make sure you completed the labs and get the batch. So without wasting the time, let's click on this lab and start it. Wait for our lab to load. You can see there are total 4 tasks that we need to perform. Click on Start Lab. The credentials will be loaded up. So right click on Open Google Cloud Console and open it in private window or incognito mode. Otherwise, you will face certain issue. And now click on Next button. Come back to page. We need to copy the password. That is this one. Copy this password. Come back to here. Paste the password. Hit Next. Click on I understand button. Our Google Cloud Console will be loaded up. You must be familiar with this step. This is a similar step as the previous video, so you must be familiar. A pop-up will arise. Accept this terms and condition. Click on agree and continue. Now activate the Google Cloud Shell that is on the top right corner. Wait for it to synchronize and connect. Click on continue button. It's connecting to the Cloud Shell instance. Click on got it button. Now you can see our Cloud Shell is now activated. Now come back to the lab page. Click on the task 1. We need to enable some API, so copy this first code, paste the code and hit enter. Click on authorize button. Come back to here, scroll down and copy this code, paste it and hit enter. This code will take long to run, about 2 minutes, so wait for it. Till then, copy this second number of code, come back to here, paste it, hit enter. Once it's completed, come back to here, scroll down and click on check my progress and you will get a green tick besides it. Okay, now scroll down, come back to the second task. Now in the second task, we need to uh, create a Kubernetes cluster. So copy this first code in the second task, come here, paste the code and hit enter. Now this code will create a cluster for us. So this will take some time. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. So I will skip the video from here and I will wait for the code to be run. Now a command is successfully run. It took me 7 to 10 minutes to run this code. So don't worry, wait for it to run successfully. After this, come back to here. We need to now create some Kubernetes and secrets. So simply copy this command, come back to here, paste the command and hit enter. Scroll down. Now we need to download and build the GKE application. GKE is Google Kubernetes environment. So just first of all, copy this code, come back to here, paste it here, hit enter, wait for it to run. Scroll down, once again copy this, come here, wait for it to load, paste it, hit enter. Now copy the third command, paste it, hit enter and wait for it to run. In this command, it will ask you to continue. So you simply need to press capital Y on your keyboard and hit enter. That's it. Our Docker configuration file is now updated. Now scroll down and copy this fourth code. Come here, paste it, hit enter, wait for it to load. Till now, copy the fifth command, wait for it to run. Paste it, hit enter. It will build a Docker file. Now after that we need to copy the sixth command. The fifth command, that is to build the Docker, will take a little longer. It will download each and every file and extract that. So it will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So wait for it. I will skip the video and will meet you in the video later on. And till this loading is happening, make sure you subscribe my channel in that time and hit the like button to the video. So that's it. And you can see it's completed. All the files are now downloaded and pulled completed. So now it will be run successfully. Wait for it. Ignore the warning, no problem with the warning. Paste it here, the sixth command, hit enter. It will also take a little bit time. It will also download each and every file and take 2 to 4 minutes. So I will meet you in the video later on. Now you can see our code is successfully run. It took hardly 2 to 4 minutes. Now come back to here. Now we need to configure and deploy our GKE, that is Google Kubernetes Engine. So what we need to do, simply come here, click on open editor button. It will open the editor. So wait for it. It is connecting our Cloud Shell editor. In the editor we need to make certain changes, so don't worry. When it's loading, come back to the lab page, copy this project ID, because we need to change the project ID. As you can see on the third point, on the line 33 in the image attribute, we need to replace this with our project ID, quick lab project ID, which is this one. So copy this project ID, come back to here. Once it's get loaded, click on this folder, locate this file deployment.yml, open it, scroll down to the line number 33. It is this one, image attribute. Now in the place of this, be careful, remove this whole one. Be careful while removing this, don't remove any extra thing, and paste the ID that we copy. That's it. Now scroll down to the 60th line. After doing this, in the 60th line under the instance column, you need to make the same change. Remove this whole part, remove very carefully, don't remove any extra thing, and paste the ID that we copied. Once you paste it, click on the file button, click on save all button, and that's it. We are done with this file. Now once you're done with that, come back to here, scroll down, copy this seventh number of code, come back to here, click on open terminal button. Now here we need to paste that code, paste and hit enter, wait for it to run. Now you can see we get a message that deployment.app/gamegen is created, and that's it. It means our code is successfully run. Now copy the eighth task, eighth code, and paste it here and hit enter. Now in this code we are creating some pods, so you can see there are 0 out of 2 pods that are ready. So wait for it, we need to wait till we get 2 out of 2 pods ready. So wait for 2 minutes. After that we need to rerun this code, that is qbact1 get pods. So for this, simply click on upper arrow key on your keyboard and you will get the command, same command, and press enter, hit the enter button, and you will see our 2 pods are ready, 2 out of 2 are ready, and the status is running. That's it. After that, come back to here, scroll down and click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick. Wait for it. That's it, our assessment is completed. And here is the, actually we are getting bug in this lab. Second task didn't throwing any green tick, it's throwing any error continuously. That's why I didn't upload the solution. Now it's resolved and now you can complete this task. So that's it. Now come back to the third task. And in case if you get error, if you get keeping error in this second task, then simply end the lab at the moment and restart it. You may get the green tick in the second chance. So yes, the issue is not resolved 100%ly, but yes, in my case it's worked. So try to click on check my progress 2 to 3 times, but if you continue facing error, then end the lab and retry to solve this lab from the very starting. Okay, so jump to the third task. So now in the third task, simply copy this first command, come back to here, paste it, hit enter, and wait for it to run. Scroll down, copy this code, come back to here, paste it, hit enter, scroll down, copy this command, come back to here, paste it, and hit enter. Be careful while running the command that the command that is in the running must be completed. After that only you paste the another command. Okay. So now copy, after copying this, scroll down, copy this command, come back to here. Let me check one thing. Yes, everything is working fine. Simply paste the task, hit enter, wait for it to load. No problem with this red thing. It's simply written info, so don't worry. Now click on the check my progress, and we will get a green tick here. Wait for it to get the information. It's verifying the object, so it takes 1 to 2 minutes to verify that the task we perform is successfully done. So wait for it. There, yes, here we got a green tick. Our assessment is completed. We are done with the third task. Now jump to the fourth task. Copy this first code. Come back to here. Paste it. Hit enter. Copy the second one. Come here. Paste it and hit enter and wait for it to run. When it's run successfully, so simply come back to here. Now what we need to do, we simply need to come here, minimize it, search here for SQL, open it, wait for it to load. Here we need to make changes. Once it's get opened, click on this, the instance ID. It will also get loaded. Now scroll down once it gets loaded and click on open Cloud Shell button, and the shell will be open. You can see a new command will be pasted over here without any uh, doing. I simply click on the open Cloud Shell, and this command automatically paste in the shell. So simply hit enter, wait for it to load, and this command will take 5 to 7 minutes to create a connection with the SSH shell. So wait for it to load. I will meet you in the video. After 2 to 3 minutes, it will ask you for the password, the database with SQL user, prostic password. So for the password, you simply come back to the lab, copy this password, super secret, copy this whole password, come back to here, paste the password. When you paste the password, you won't be able to see the password. So don't worry, simply paste it and hit enter, and you will see our connection will be stabilized. Once our connection will be stabilized, you simply need to come back to here, copy this first code, paste the code here and hit enter. After that, what we need to do, we simply come back to here. As it was asking for the password, we simply need to copy this once again, come here, paste the password. Once again, the password will not be visible, so simply hit enter. Sorry for this prompt, I am yes, you let me reshift it. So in the password I entered that. We need to give it password one more time. After giving this super secret password, we need to give it this same password one more time. So simply paste it again and hit enter. I made an error here. I simply press enter because I don't aware of that. I need to click password 2 times. So I will cut it with the Control C button. I will rerun the code. That is this one. Now I need to reconnect my connection with the SSH. So I need this command. So I will click on enter here. It will ask me for the password, so I have to wait for the 5 minutes. I simply messed up with there because I need to give it password 2 times, but I gave it the password one time and hit enter 2 times. That's why I have to repeat the same task. But you don't need to do this. Simply when it will ask you for the password here, you will paste that super secret one time, then you need to press enter, then once again you need to give it password. So simply you need to give it password 2 times. Okay, so I am performing this whole task one again. So if you get any confusion, watch it carefully. I have to give it a password, that is this one, super secret. I will copy it, paste it here, enter. Now we are in the Postgres. We'll copy this command. We will paste it here, hit enter. It will ask you for the password. Now this is the step that I messed up, where I messed up. I will paste the password one time. I paste it up. It will not be shown here. I hit enter. I have to re-paste the password, and that's it. You are new connected to database game as your trigger. Okay, that's it. Now come back to here. Copy this seventh command. Paste the command. Hit enter. Now it's successfully run. Now what we need to go to, we simply click back to here and click on my check my progress. Okay, after you click on check my progress, you will get a green tick, and that's it. That's you need to do in this lab. You will get the green tick. Your assessment is completed. Congratulations, our lab is successfully completed. Let me once explain you re-explain you what I messed where I messed up. So what I do, once I click on open Cloud Shell button, command will automatically paste it up in your shell. You simply need to hit enter. That command will take 5 minutes to run. It will ask you for the password. There you need to paste the password, that is a super secret password. This one. After you paste the password, you hit enter. It will establish the connection. Then you will run this fifth number of command, and in this command it will ask you password. You will paste the same password, super secret, hit enter, again paste the password and hit enter. Then you will get this message: SSL connection protocol is stabilized successfully. That's it. That's you need to do. And then simply you need to perform this last code. Once you paste it, it will be run, and click on check my progress. You will get a green tick. If still you have any confusion, then you can ask me in the comment box or in the Telegram group, so I will resolve your query. Now you can end lab. Click on submit button. Give the 5-star rating or whatever you want to give. Click on submit. Come back to the main page, and you will get a green tick beside your lab. So yes, you can see I get a green tick beside my lab, and I got the green tick beside all labs. It means now I am able actually to get my badge. So let's see, did I get my badge or not? So I simply go to the public profile. Yes, you can see I got a yellow challenge badge. That's it. That's it for this lab. uh, so scroll down. Let's see if there is any something interesting. No. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. You can share this video with your friends, and you can also join the Telegram group. I will leave the link of the Telegram group in the description box. Thank you.